Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I feel like not all phone holders are well suited for all vehicles, except for this one. This phone holder is from Magic Mount, and it's incredible because it can mount 3 different ways. It has an option to mount it on your vent, or on your dash, or your windshield. I love that it gives you the flexibility. I find sometimes I might want to switch where I mount my phone depending on what I'm using it for. For example, if I have to use the GPS, I like to have it up at a higher visual where I can readily see the map. This phone holder allows me to do that. I've never had that option before with any other phone holder. Plus, it's magnetic, which I love. No longer are you messing around with the adjustment. You just pop your phone on. If you want it in landscape, you can simply turn it. Nothing to adjust or rearrange. And if that wasn't enough, this also charges my phone. That is so awesome to me. I'm using my phone all the time, and I'm in my car a lot. So because of this, my phone battery is staying charged throughout the day, and that just makes one less thing that I have to worry about. Now, if you want to change the mount type, there's a piece on the back that slides off and you replace it with either the vent holder or the dash holder. So if you're looking for a phone holder that provides you with a lot of flexibility and charges your phone, this is it. I absolutely love it. It's truly been my favorite phone holder for my vehicle so far. And that's my point of view.